Hey there, digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to Dazon Technologies. Today, we're delving into a game changer in the digital marketing world, Google Trends. If you're ready to elevate your keyword research game, stick around because we've got some incredible insights coming your way. How to use Google Trends for keyword research. What is Google Trends? Google Trends is a free tool that comes in handy to obtain data from Google searches while allowing users to compare the occurrence of particular search terms with other keywords based on frequency, geographic locations, and so much more. Why use Google Trends? Google Trends is the best choice to analyze the popularity of any search term or topic in a hassle-free way. With this tool, you can keep track of user search behavior, compare and validate search volumes of different queries, leverage historical data to check the popularity phase of a topic. The tool is free, up-to-date, and relevant. Google Trends is easy to use. When you search for a certain query, it will provide you with a graph ranging from 0 to 100. How Google Trends works. Now, let me walk you through the step-by-step process of conducting keyword research with Google Trends. Visit the Google Trends site. At the top right corner, select a location, for instance, the United States. You can change it later. Once you have the location, enter the keyword. I choose SEO. Press enter and Google Trends will generate a graph. Okay, you have 4 tabs here. The first one denotes the geolocation the given keyword used. For a broader perspective, you can go for the Worldwide option under this tab. The second tab denotes the time frame of the keyword frequency. Choose anywhere from the past hour to 2004 present. Once you modify the time frame in location, the graph alters accordingly. Third, choose a category of your choice. Fourth, pick a channel to find out keyword frequency. Scroll down to find the Interest by Region report. You will find a list of countries where the keyword is performing well. The score lies anywhere from 0 to 100 based on keyword popularity. Click on the Rising option and choose Top. Just like the region report, this provides you with top topics and queries. Keyword Trend Comparison. Now let's move on to Keyword Trend Comparison. We already have the data for the keyword SEO. Scroll on to the top of the page. Click Compare and add a new term, link building, and then hit Enter. You now have the graph with 2 different colors each representing a keyword. Scroll down to find the region-wise reports. Keyword Trend Comparison isn't limited to 2. You can add more terms to the list using the Compare option and go for a vast analysis based on your needs. How Google Trends complements effective keyword research. Now you know how Google Trends works, right? Cool. Let's explore the ways the tool can bolster effective keyword research. Keyword Search Volume. The search volume of a keyword denotes the number of times people have used a given keyword in their searches within the fixed time frame. Seasonal Trends. The main goal of keyword research is to bring more traffic to your site by leveraging the right keywords. So, it is equally important to use the keywords in the right context at the right time to achieve better results. And there you have it, folks. A deep dive into the incredible world of Google Trends. If you found value in this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more digital insights, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thanks for watching.